Wabra bonu yeden and so behaving. Unscramble life we see, no shame, just clarity. From broken pieces to peace, we dey heal, small, small, we dey breathe.
Ni ma-Afrika mahle, votani bantu bomgquba, igama lami ndinguSilindile uMampinga umbhalo kaqosha into umntwana ingabi nobo yifuna umntwana ufuna abadala usenzwa. Guys, welcome to another episode ye Unscramble Life with Slee. Guys, andazi bandizawumane nditsho kangakanani lento. For sure now I sound like a broken record, kodwa andinguye Unscramble Life ngaphandle kwenu, because I am here ngoba nina nithatha isikhathi senu, nithatha idara yenu, ni comment, ni share, nitshele nabanye abantu kanjalo. That is why we still pushing this thing. Andinguye uSlee ngaphandle kwenu. Siyabulela nikwenze nakwabanye. Kutheke ningasatsho kanjalo, fanele nifocus kum, but I see you. Namhlanje guys, ngiphethe omunye ubhuti kuthiwa nguThe Black. Angazi noba unguThe Black because of the complexion, or ukuthi unguThe Black ngoba he's an African, or unguThe Black asasizo zokhona, kodwa bhuti wami igama lakhe nguBhuthulane. Mara kinina ngini akasubhuthulane, nguThe Black. Uyaphila? Ngiyaphila nami. Welcome to Unscramble Life with Slee.
Yes.
Thank you so much. You took your time. What decided ukuthi namhlanje you ufuna nje ukunikeza your fans a bit of whatever that you always show on the screen.
Yes.
Ngicela nje uzazise kancane kubo ukuthi ubani The Black.
Okay, The Black, The Black is a stage name actually, but my real name is Thulane.
Yes.
Yeah, Wakatletshwayo.
Yeah.
So the background of the name, I think it's coming from my complexion actually. But it's coming from my complexion. Yeah, but ngase ngiyalithatha ngiluza as a positive way.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's coming with my complexion. So I was assisting those who were giving me that name Black.
Okay.
To promote that name.
Okay.
Yes, to be official.
You know, it's so crazy. A reason that I'm gonna touch bases on this. See, we phase where it's very sensitive as South Africans, where we are told, not told, actually we are in a movement yokuthi abantu abal illegal in our country, they need to go.
Yes,
right?
Yes.
And I really don't have a problem with that, because noma uyakuphina umuzi ufika uthobele umthetho walo muzi wonke lo muzi lo.
Yes.
So you being a dark person, awukazi umiswe la endleleni kuthiphi passport.
No. Not really.
Yes.
But I think this thing abantu bangaphandle kumele bahambe bangahambi. I think let's come to a point ukuthi let us first to address abantu ukuthi they must respect our laws.
Yes.
As in South Africa, because each and every country inomthetho.
Yes.
So because this thing ukuthi kuzokufika kuthini mabahambe, not everyone, there are those individuals.
Yes.
Who are breaking the country law. So and then could trigger anger to some of the Africans,
of course.
South Africans.
Yeah.
So if our government can stand up and our security agent basebenza ngokusikhandla ukuthi benze sure ukuthi border whoever's coming in, we are comply with our laws. I don't think good basis of fairness fair.
So a loophole, it needs to be fixed from the borders.
Yes.
Before Tina Lana starts anything. I agree with you totally. Now I want to with The Black. You chose to embrace what you've been called.
Yes.
Black, you know, all those things.
Yes.
How was it for you? Because ngiyakhumbula thina ekukhuleni kwethu kwakunento sasibizana ngokuthi siyagwarana ne. Ubheka ubumnyama wena ingathi, you know. How was it for you to get where you are now? Ukuthi you are embracing that, yes, you are a dark man and you want to own it as njengobusho ukuthi bubenzela indlela lula. Was it easy for you growing up? Ngoba apparently there's a term kuthiwa a colorism, you know, whatsoever. They chose to mention these things because other people, they are very affected with their complexion. Mm-hmm. What made you to decide to embrace it, and how was it for you growing up being called that, and then you chose to use it as your stage name?
Okay, no. Ekukhuleni kwami.
Yeah.
Kahle abakaze bangibiza ngegama lami because ngamagama amaningi ama nickname. Okay, uThe Black actually is a name that engithole la mangifike eGauteng.
Yes.
Mina angikhulelanga la, ngikhulele eDagakral in Mpumalanga. So in primary there was that thing, hey mnyamana, but it didn't stick with me. But my nickname, I'm a well-known person actually,
Yeah.
where I'm coming from. But as Unkatazo, where I'm based Unkatazo. Even now, man come now will be surprised ukuthi the black and then Katazo.
Okay.
Igama the black ngithole eGauteng ngifike eGauteng.
Yes.
But back home, mangikhulu babambiza Unkatazo. But not ngoba
Uhlupha.
no.
I was getting there, yes.
No, not ngoba bengihlupha.
Yes.
But ke ngoba umuntu music bengikumakhwaya. So it was that thing mangukuthi makuthiwa kunama stage whereby kunama choir are different as a
Yes.
stage.
Mm.
So we would be standing outside when you are getting ready to get to the stage.
Yes.
So you will start the song to sing outside. So bekwenzakalani mangicula ngaphandle. Remember that was a story on SABC yaqala inkathazo.
Oh, uvelaphi emjongeni.
Yes.
Ah.
So whenever people mawezi voice yami ngaphandle bathi yaqala
Qala inkathazo.
So
Okay.
that's how I got that name Inkathazo, because of the way bengicula ngakhona.
Yes.
Ungezwa le voice ngoba siyisong. Yeah, benginkinga kakhulu.
Yeah.
So ngase ngithola lo gama ngakhula nalo ke. So ngathi mangifika eGauteng, I'm working for some company now. I'm not going to mention what
Yes.
name.
Yes.
Yeah, so there's a lady by Michelle. I still remember it was 2012. There was still BlackBerry, Kev.
Yes.
Do you remember that phone?
Yes.
BlackBerry Kev?
Yes.
So we were working late night shift. So there's a passage there. So I used to play like I'm a modeling.
Yeah.
So that lady said, "You are a BlackBerry Kev." You understand? Because I was showing them that I can be a miss there.
yeah,
or
okay.
miss, yes. So that name stick with me, and then BlackBerry. And then they decided to cut it. Hey, the black. Yes. So now when I'm jumping to music, I say now I have Nkathazo, of which I'm well known as
Yes,
Nkathazo.
Nkathazo, yes.
But now I also have the name The Black. So there was a problem with to use the stage name of Nkathazo because there's already an existing artist with the stage name
Nkathazo.
Nkathazo. So I had that option now.
Okay.
The Black. Understand?
Yes.
Yeah. But again, even at work, they don't know my name.
But now I'm worried, Uguti. Weren't you scared, Uguti, if you change your stage name, you might lose the existing fans, maybe was Nkathazo. Because now when they're gonna go look for Nkathazo basamtoli, and now The Black, you might lose of your fans work by changing the name.
Yeah, it was there, but I had no choice.
Okay.
Because remember, I'm starting a new career. There's some other requirement in terms of we have to register your stage name.
Yes.
And if you try to register
an existing name,
Kahle.
Yeah.
So I had to come up with the option B.
Yeah.
So my fans, I would like to apologize,
Yeah.
but I think they'll get used to it because it's already complementing
Yes.
my skin color.
Yes.
Yeah, because some of them, they're already starting to call me the
The
black.
Black.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that makes you happy that, okay, at least they are getting
They're adjusting.
They're adjusting, yeah.
And then now you caught my attention somewhere, Uti. Wawuthi mawuzongena stage bakuze from i-background ukuthiwa yaqala inkathazo. And then you said, ungizwe voice yami seyinje.
Yeah.
What happened?
Okay, man. It's a bit emotional story, but yeah.
Are you comfortable to share?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, it's because I'm married after COVID.
You must be joking.
I'm serious. 2021 August, yeah. Yeah. I think I was hospitalized for a month or so. But my voice now is more better.
You must be joking. So you were infected with COVID.
Yes.
And then it damaged your whatever
yes, it triggered acid reflux on my body. So okay, I don't want, because remember we had that think besenza imixture
Yes,
besiphuza,
ama-concoction.
concoction nanani
Yes.
so bo ginger bo garlic nanani.
Yes.
So we added some other let me say ama-tablet oil. I don't want to mention amagama.
Yeah, magama, yes.
Yeah. So I think with that the flu ngaya kudoctor, udoctor wanginikeza ama-antibiotics engafika ngasendlini ngenza i-concoction leyo. Of which ngiyayikhuluma because I think nakwabanye abantu
Yes, it's important for them to learn,
izobasiza.
for
So-
us to learn.
So ngenza le concoction lena imixer lena esiyenza endlini kanti ngizophuza nama-antibiotics. So ama-antibiotics ane-acid already.
Yes.
Ne-concoction boma ubheka i-ginger,
Garlic and
na-
yeah, obvious.
So I drank that because I had COVID bengibambile. So I was trying to
To kickstart as vele sonke
Yes.
besibheka kuthiwa mix
Mm.
lemon
Yes.
whatever that you are
Yes.
advised we were all doing.
so kanti-ke izofike yenza ibhomu-ke ku-system yami. So I had an acid. So acid like I was vomiting. Acid bengishisa everywhere. Bisuthi ibhodi yami besi-rejecta anything, even amanzi. Mangiphuza amanzi, it was rejecting everything. So kwaya yasi-affecta i-voice cord because basilimaze already my right what they call.
Trachea ntontoni.
Yes.
Yes.
So yeah, ngaya esibhedlela. They've tried, but remember there are tissues that
We're already damaged.
yes, so they cannot replace tissues esibhedlela. They can do it, but they cannot replace the tissues. So that's what's happened with my voice. But it was worse. It was really worse.
You know, I'm so sorry that we have to learn such things through such instances. We understand.
Yeah.
Because singalabantu esikhula sikholela ukuthi you do this, and that, and
Yes,
that, and
yes.
that, and that. And siyakhohlwa ukuthi our immune system is different.
Mm.
Whatever that worked for another person, it might not work for
Yes,
me.
yes, that's true.
And
Yes.
now, being an artist who's gifted and having to experience that, how is the journey?
It's difficult. You know what? Mina indaba music bese ngivapile bese nganandaba nendaba music. But ke ngokuthi there's a friend of mine engisebenza naye emsebenzini engahlana naye la Joburg. It's like we're
Yes.
living as now as brothers.
Mm.
So because he knew a bit of my background in terms of where do I come from with music. Okay, by the way, ngo 2018 ngiye ngenza a single track.
Yes.
2018.
Yes,
My-
we're gonna
yeah.
get
Yeah,
there.
So kuthema kwenzeka lento le. The
Yes.
guy emsebenzini because I'm also a part of the committee member. But you know what? I think we have to start a choir.
Yes.
But I think I'm gonna need you on the choir. So I was like,
Kanjani,
you are going
because
to need me ku choir ngayiphi voice. What you know what? Don't worry. We're gonna make it happen. Okay, we started the choir because I have a good background in terms of choral music.
yes.
Thinking I'm a nose nana because I was once a solo. Actually, I was everywhere. So the guy took me to the choir, and then it was difficult to stand in front of a choir. Remember, I have to tell people, I have to so miramido with this voice. You understand? But it didn't happen the way bengicabanga khona. Instead of being negative, it was like a positive. The support I got from the choir member. You understand? Because I'm in front of them, I'm giving them the notes, I'm telling them, this is how we're going to sing,
Yeah.
this is how we're going to sing. You understand? And I can tell you what, the choir was solid. Last year, Besi University, we stage, we podium. So, this thing, yangenza encourage ukuthi man kahle uhamba kwevoice yami.
Yeah.
I can still use it in a positive way. So now there's come Noxie. Noxie is my cousin umntana kamalumane.
Yes.
So ngiyamazi in the background ukuthi she's talented in music. So ngathi okay, there's a guy from Durban who dila ngama-beat. Wangizwisa elinye beat. Ngathi you know what? Please give me this beat.
Yes.
Yeah. So because I can write also.
Yes.
So that's how I started indaba music ke ngase ngizama ukuthi okay no see time this work.
Yeah.
Also the guy that I'm working with emsebenzini nechoir,
Yes.
he was next to me. So ngazama
This is interesting. Last week bengine CEO ye The Sounds of Azania. Do you know about it? The Sounds of Azania FM.
No.
Okay, so benza ama awards now in July. Ibizwa nge-choral it's choral indigenous music awards.
Okay.
So they it's those things choir, like they believe that we need to go back to our indigenous
Yes,
music.
yes.
Yakhumbula sasinemiZwilili back in the days,
Yes.
such things sasinama concert emaholweni where people they wake up knowing ukuthi
Yes.
okay, yes, it's Saturday. But we looking forward to go to the choir instead of ukuthi siphuzani bafethu
Yes, yes.
kuhlala emakhoneni njengoba sesigcina sesine problem yama drugs. But now I'm trying to compute what you told me because
Yeah.
I've never heard such thing. And nami ngiyathuka because ngulomuntu othanda explorer.
Yeah.
I think God is using you as a vessel,
Yes.
and I wish it's something maybe you can put it out as well in your platform where
Yes.
we can understand ukuthi sometimes these things of us wanting to do Western and traditional at the very
Traditional,
same
yeah.
time
dangerous.
it's dangerous.
Yes.
You know, think about it. I think
Yes.
we need that as Africans. Thina bantu ngiyachatha mina
Ngiyachatha.
ngihambile ngaya ku, you know, those things nje. I think it's something that we need to talk about, and I think you're the right person. Maybe you can
Yeah.
start a movement about that.
Yeah, I think the important thing, if we are Zezuti, right, if we are dealing with the Western, it's better stick to one thing. Ungahlanganisi. Asisho ukuthi people they must move away from a traditional.
Yes.
No, but I think ungahlanganisi
Mix.
because I'm here because of ukuhlanganisa izinto. These are the results.
Confidence yako, what happened to it? Because I can imagine people who knew you before now having this husky voice. Ubungaphelelwa inhliziyo when you had to address things and uloko ngithi
No.
awuzwanga.
No, when it's come to equal.
Yeah.
Yo, bengasafuna ukufonela umuntu, but sometimes ufuna ukukhuluma nomama akho.
Yeah.
Mama akho akakwazi ukusebenzisa WhatsApp. The only thing uthi ukhulume naye ukuthi ukhulume naye ngefoni. Uyamfonela uzosaba ukuthi akakuzwa because ku family yami they were scared to tell me ukuthi abangizwa. Umuntu uzovuma but at the end of the day lento omtshela yona
Akayenzanga, akazwanga.
akazwanga. Understand? Because basaba ukubona ngendlela bazama ukuprotect ukuthi mhlambe ngizothi shoot manje shoot mina vele understand. So they were trying by all means ukuthi no, it's fine. Ngiyakuzwa, yeah, okay, it's fine. But nami at the same time ngisense ukuthi no. Sometimes ngibuza question.
Yeah,
Instead
ngithi instead of
uthi
ngiphendule ngithi yeah.
So that's why ngithi okay, akangizwa lo muntu. And at the same time bengishaya lento leyo.
Yes.
So I had to deal with it. Intena lokuthi yo angisana voice. Mina ngikhuluma bengasafuna ukukhuluma nabantu. To be honest with you, because you know, mabe umdlala nawe yamazi. Yini bophuza inizolo kwenzakalani? Bobushaya. We understand. Sometimes what is ngidlala, but ngizoqhamba manga until nini.
Yes, because even
So
namanje abona lo bhuti ombonile mbuzo ukuthi uphethwe umkhuhlane but ngithi no. You understand? I'm
Yeah.
sorry, but yeah, I understand ukuthi uthini.
So that's why the truth gonna set you free.
Yeah.
I had to say, you know what? Abantu mele bangazi ukuthi now. This is the new to learn or new Katazo now.
Yeah.
Or new blackberry.
Yeah.
The black, understand? So, umuntu bethi mangibuza mtshela, you know what? This is my voice. The way ngakhona manje. Understand? Hopefully, but again, maybe because seyitshintshile. Because I was not gonna sit here.
God is good.
Serious, I was not gonna sit here. And it's not like there's something that I'm using.
Yes.
No. It's
So
just-
did you go kuyokwenza ama vocal ntontoni trainings?
No, I didn't.
Yabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu khona.
Yonke into
You-
nje
you-
yazenzakaleni.
You could have died. Do you understand? You could have totally be mute now. When you are sizwa, you understand mara wena sekufanele ukhulume ngezandla.
Yes.
But look at God's miracle.
Yeah, because there's nothing I can use in terms of treating
Yes,
my
enhancing.
voice. No, I'm just living a normal life.
And then how do you receive now? Let's say njengamanje season ye flu, winter and all that. And then now mawuqala uphathwa izinto ezifana nemikhuhlane awubikho triggered.
Yazi iba vice versa ivoice yami. Yabona mangiphethwe iflu iyavuleka but ngiba nebase. Iba clear than this. Mangiphethwe iflu. I don't know why but it's a vice versa to me.
Yeah. And then now uye ungasabi ke manje ukuthatha i-medication or remedies.
No. You know, unfortunately azange ngiyena ku what you call to get some
therapy.
Yeah. But like I'm normal. I'm different. Doctor medication.
Yeah.
I'm just taking my medication with no fear. I'm just like normal.
Yeah.
Yeah. Back in about 2022, 2023.
Yeah.
It was that point of choose and yasaba.
Yes.
But at the same time, we have to tell you, who's is it really good for you? Or where's limas?
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because a change is within you. No moment change. But if you don't want to,
yes.
I like what
you say.
So I had to sit down with myself. Would say, okay, this is where I am now. Yes. So from here going forward, because remember, whatever now is affecting me, if I'm not taking a good care of it, it might affect you understand? So I had to come up with something with impilo enomanda abantu bang-accept.
Yes.
So remember, abantu khona labazohlala banama negative.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
But as a person, akumela ngubheka kakhulu eyintweni ezi-negative.
Negative.
Whatever is a negative, ithatha as a motivation.
Yes.
Uyisebenzise going forward. So I have to face the reality. People, if they ask me, let me be honest, I don't have a voice. I was affected by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You understand? So that we don't know. Maybe COVID might come back.
Yes.
We don't know.
Yes.
So that whoever next to me also understand, okay, we have somebody on a voice also because what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes.
Thank you for this. Thank you. You didn't have to, but it's a great thing. But for me, namangkhuluma nawizolo, I didn't find anything wrong because I have someone engikhuluma naye almost every day onale voice. But maybe ke angazi any history yakhe ukuthi isuka yaphi.
Kodwa phela le voice lena angithi uyazi nabo sisa ngithi.
Yes.
Kukhona bathi
nabo usibuzi hoyi isibuda lo.
Yeah, kukhona nje sometimes somewhere. Yeah. She asks you, I like your voice.
Yeah.
You understand? So sometimes nokuthi okay, bebunkulunkulu
begele something.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, good work, Pella. Everybody has his own people, or everybody have their own people. So now I want us to go back. I love the fact that you mentioned community, you mentioned family and everything. Ubuthulani okhulela eMpumalanga.
Yes.
How was it for you? Ukhulele emakhaya or ukhulele endaweni esabulokishi? How was it for you as umntana omfana ekhulela lapho usuka khona? And kukephi lapho usuka khona eMpumalanga?
Okay. Ngizothi isemakhaya kodwa not emakhaya.
Yeah. Ngiyawabona lo makhaya lawo. Yeah, elamakhaya negesi anamampompi.
Sinama meter box.
Yeah.
Emajartini.
Yeah.
Uyabona. But at the same time it's emakhaya because itrati azinama tar road
yes.
Yeah. So ngikhulele endaweni nje kanjalo. Okay. Impumalanga ngoba sisempumalanga. But my biggest town is Newcastle. I'm closer to Newcastle.
Okay. I was getting there.
So it's full crust.
Yes.
So everything is Zulu. Skolweni Zulu. Everything is Zulu. So it's Mpumalanga ngoba I think the border from indawo ethu is about 2 kilometers away, and then some KZN.
I hear you.
So you see that how close are we to KZN.
Yes.
So whatever a culture yonke into is KZN. everything is
Yeah,
KZN.
yeah.
Siphila ngesizulu and vele indawo edominatwa amaZulu. So sikhuleke man. Back then, I think mangisase primary indawo ethu besasephansi kakhulu. It was not that much developed.
Yeah.
Where we are going to uhambe ngeenyawo, distance esikolweni. Lo mpilo leyo unethwa imvula kwenzani mele uhambe ngeenyawo.
Yeah.
Unfortunately ke thina zange saba nabazali ekune background ukuthi uzoba nestaff esikise esikolweni. Mele ugqoke iplastic or uma unama raincoat, it's a lucky for you.
Sometimes nezo ncwadi lezo ziyanethwa.
Yes.
Yeah.
But esikolweni remember beba understand the situation. Babathi uma kunemvula bathi
Shiyani incwadi
esikolweni. Yabo. So bekulo mpilo leyo ngakhula but ke ngisonto mina ngikhulele esontweni yazi.
Yes.
Yeah. Ngicela ngabe leader yesonto. I think bengisazi I was still young man.
Yes.
Angishaya ngephini mama bebangishaya ngephini bangaculi kahle. Bebangishaya ngephini.
Yes.
Yabona but it was painful then.
Yeah.
But now I can see the results. Yeah, so ngisekhwayeni ngiyacula ngiyalida especially makuthiwa ma Sunday school.
Yes.
I will be there leading.
Yes.
You understand? That's how this thing umculo
Yakhulu.
is here. But mina azange ayithatha serious. So on the stage of high school, so principal Mr. Ngwenya,
Yes.
I think I was doing grade 8. And then he's the one who spotted to say, "Nee man, there's a talent."
Yes.
Mina bangise quiet by force school. Because I didn't want to indaba zokucula.
Yeah.
However, elokishini bengaziwe ngokucula. Uyabona? So yafika principal ukuthi no man, unkathazo vele igama lankathazo
Besenalo vele.
Understand?
Yes.
Yeah, so wangilanda eclassini, wangilanda nje eclassini straight wathi ngo-1 uze ngifuna ukufuna ekwayeni.
Yes.
Understand? Yaqala nje kanjalo ke.
Since until today yakulandela.
Yangilandela imani ngihambile mina ngicule kukwaya yesikolo ngayocula kusekhethi ngayocula ku-regional choir and then when I'm doing grade 10 I was given that opportunity to be in the same with the Mpumalanga choral choir.
Ooh.
Understand? But it was just a way of ukuthi it's all experience.
Yes.
You understand? Principal started as a celebrity. They were selecting those yeah. So they will say, okay, for warm up my voice, but imalapa panikeze iki.
Yeah.
Understand? Ukuthi kumele bacule
kanjani.
Yeah, I got that opportunity. So kwamashaka happy mangifika ka grade 12.
Okay.
Remember, Moses Colin. Modume udlala ibhola istar uyacula kuba nanathing ukuthi vele manje
now uyazifila uyi-icon.
Yeah, nabo sesi bayakulandela.
Yeah, ulandile.
Yabo sebakhohlwe nokuthi phela ngimubinyana ngimnyamanyana.
Akasayiboni lento yobumnyama.
Uthi hayi mubi umnyama.
Uzongimoshela abantwana.
Uyabona abasayibona ngoba manje senginalo famous nyana.
Yes.
Nakhona ngimacacanga. So bangene ekhanda ka grade 12. So I decided to do izinto ezisinaks. Angisafuni emakwayeni. Angisafuni even because elokishini amakwaya they used to come to me.
Yes.
Sicela uzosiza.
I know I'm doing matric now. I need to focus on my books.
There's no such of matric because bengayikhuluma indaba matric. Bengivele bengafuni.
Okay. So ubuvela uyibeke straight uthi angifuni.
No, bengivuma aqede ngayo.
Okay.
And I think it was a good opportunity for me because some of bazokunikeza imali bathi now 200 rand sifuna sine competition next month.
Yeah.
So sicela ukuthi zosa assist.
Yeah.
I will take that money ngihlole nendini.
But 200 it was a lot of money back then and then mabese bebuya befuna imali yabo.
Bazoyifuna gogo phela ekhaya.
Ngiyabona abantwana bogogo.
Umsebenzi phela.
Abantwana bogogo.
Mina phela abayazi nasekhaya umali le. Ayifikanga nasendlini. Abayazi into le.
So mabese beyifuna ugogo sekufanele avala amacala wayo
ukuthi mina ngihamba amakwaya.
Yeah.
Bengiyisebenzise escape ngithi ngiyekwayeni. Ngendaweni zami. Ngiphuma esikolweni ngendaweni zami ngicade ngifike ekhaya late ngithi bengisekwayeni esikolweni. Ayikho lento leyo.
Awusa-attend awusenzi lutho and endlini ababoni nix wrong.
Hayi gogo. Ababoni next. Kanti lento leyo bengisilimaza mina ngokwami.
Yeah.
So ngayiyekela indaba yekhwaya because mina ayish man yazi ngabe ngikude yabona especially ngomzwilile. Yeah, if maybe ngaba serious because bengithole umuntu oyi-guidance and okulevel ukuthi sometimes uba i-judge national, understand? So it was a good platform for me, but mina ukuthi ngomntwana it's not something engayithatha serious and bengazi, by the way. Mawukhulela emakhaya thina sikhule singazi ukuthi besazi ukuthi mawuqeda isikolo kumele ufunde usebenze. We didn't know ukuthi you can be a professional singer, you can be a professional soccer player, or a
out of academics.
Yes, we didn't know about that. And even ekolweni, they didn't give us that thing, guys, you can use this as a career going forward. Tina kithi ufuna uba udoctor, which is not wrong. Isikolo is very important, but if you have a talent aside, I think that's the way we made schools abantwana bethu. We must wazi ukuthi umntana ukuthi talented kuphi. Tina, we didn't have that opportunity.
Even i-support nasebazalini thina besingazazi izinto ukuthi uzwe like now uze umuntu athi, hey mate, I won't see you in the morning because of my son. He's got a soccer play, whatever, you know. We didn't know those things. Thina ubuzenza no teacher, ubusupporta abo teacher esikolweni. Lendaba ukuthi umzali wakho reserves time to go and watch you playing and all of that. We didn't know those things.
And remember, sometimes uzothi ufuna uya practicing bakwalele ekhaya. Batshela ukuthi kumele uclean.
Kufanele uthutha amanzi, kufanele wenzeni. Yeah, true.
But angba blame because nabo they didn't have that knowledge. This thing ngaba yi-future umntwana tomorrow. You understand? So I don't really blame them. So thina guys sesine experience. I think yithi manje kumele sisukumele in terms of supporting abantwana na those who are coming behind us.
I like what you're saying. I like what you're saying. You sound like you are a dad.
I am. 2 boys.
Oh. How's the journey of ubaba being a South African man? Because kunamagama enibizwa ngawo bo-men are trash, states abantu bobaba babalekela iy'ngane zabo and all that. How has it been for you, i-journey of being ubaba?
Yazi ijeni ubaba, I think iqala before uba nomntwana ukuthi wena what is your plan going forward in future. I remember sometimes mina ngithatha impilo abantu abami, ngiphila impilo abantu abami ngempilo yami engiyiphilile uma ngisakhula. I'm not coming in a good background, you understand? I'm coming from a family whereby kukhula ngokubhataniswa, kuyahlanganiswa sometimes.
Mawucele ijezi uzolithola after 3 months or 4 months because of ufole elining.
Yeah, so mina bengumuntu ukuthi angifuni uba nomntwana angasebenzi. You understand? Bengafuni because bengafuni ukuthi umntwana akhule the way ngikhule ngakhona. Not ngikhule ukuthi ngihlukumezeka. Abazali they didn't have means ukuthi ngiphile impilo e-soft.
Yes.
You understand?
But ubabona bezama.
Yes. So fithi le life manje ngithemba sengihlala phansi ngibheka ngithi le life bengikhule ngayo beyibuhlungu kakhulu and angifuni mangiba nomntwana akhule ngalondlela. So mina I natural. Yes, bengijola like anyone, but bengine-line ukuthi I don't want umntwana until ngisebenza. So sometimes izinto mayikhuluma ngolimi
siyadala ulimi uyadala.
You understand? Yeah. So ngathola umsebenzi, mangiqoda ukuthola umsebenzi permanent ngaba nomntwana. So my first born 2013.
Okay.
I was already, I was 27.
And nasekhaya sawuyabuzwa phela namajiti yabona ukuthi
babuza
yeah
udwa khona umzukulu.
Yes.
Umama uzabathi especially ugogo kodwa umntana nami sanyoze ngife ngababona ngaba
izizukulwane
uyabona. But angeke uzomtshela ukuthi hayi gogo uyamtshela ukuthi hayi uzobabona uyabona. But I'm happy because gogo wami uhambe already sinabantwana abayi-2.
Siyabona.
You understand? So my first born I'm 2013 and then my second born 2020 mangiphuma esibhedlela
Washa.
you know what mangiphuma esibhedlela end of August
Okay.
second born amazalwa ngo-October
So wena u-admitwa nje sibhedlela.
mama umntwana ukhulela
Oh Nkosi yami.
she was going
I
through a
can
lot
I can imagine.
yeah remember and bongana access ukuze esibhedlela during that time ukuthi uzobona umuntu yeah and ukugula kwami kwa-affecta i-first born nami kakhulu because in such a way nasesikoleni they did pick up ukuthi
There's
something is not
going on,
right
yeah.
ngumntwana baqala bafuna ukufind out kumama khana abatshela ukuthi no umntwana because what happened there's an incident that happened nginomntwana ngawa phambi ngomntwana ngisengakayi isibhedlela ngisasendlini
Yes.
because I think there's a lot was I think I have that resistant ukuthi I don't
Ngizoba right. Vele sikhula kuthiwa vele abantu umuntu wesilisa akafuni nje doctor. Yeah.
and this is it is damaging my organs.
Yeah.
So ngawa umntwana khona from leyo mntwana zange aphinda be right and ukuwa kwami lapho ngathi mangisibhedlela ke azange saba right. The question was to say
ngimbonile wile lo muntu manje akasekho eduze kwami, what's next? Yes.
Umama ukhulelwe ngabe nayo udlala khala. So umntwana is a question of what is happening.
Yeah.
And umntwana yama-affecta kuphi esikolweni. So that was the journey. But okay ngaphuma kwaba khona ke i-second born ke of which now izowenza 5 nyanga. So abantu abami ijeni oba back to your question yoba baba azange umntanami kubethu ubonda ukuthi ukhona angisebenzi.
Yeah.
Abantu abami since bakhona I'm working, I can still provide for them whatever they need, even though angikoni kubenzela akho the way ngifuna ngakhona. Yeah, but yeah, even ngiyakhona ukubenzela ama basic needs, understand? So it's a tough journey but not really because bayakwazi ufona baba sicela ukuthi I know ukuthi ngizokwenzela ngedate so because I know ukuthi you understand angifana nomuntu othi kusamele ngiyohlanganisa because that's a painful part for umuntu ohlele ekhaya ongasebenzi. With me is a different story. I have a source of income, so I'm always planning around him coming now.
Yes, there's a bit of concern of what you're saying, Gimine. I hear you telling me about the journey that you are capable and what is it with you men think that finances is the only way to show up as a father? Because now, a reason that I'm asking this, there are those uzoti esingisaba noyokubona abantwana ngoba anginamali. Do you think that's the only way that can keep you as a good father or intact or being present to your kids' lives?
Tell me, when as a mother, ungahlala nomntana wakho, esithi umntana wakho awuhlali naye, awumsupport not ngoba ungathandi.
Yes.
It's because
the situation.
Uya umntana wakho ngoba kubanda kuso akagqoka jezi. The pain. Understand? And I don't want to talk about abantu aba capable of support abantwana but they don't want to. Understand? They don't want to. Kuna abantu really they do want to support their kids but kunzima kuyobona umntwana. And sometimes when mama, sometimes remember abantu besifazane bangakulwisa bakuthuke out of ihenga ukuthi bafisana nomzimba and wawena awukhona ukumsiza. I'm not defending women, but because mina abantu bami ngidlale nabo from day zero.
Yeah.
You understand? Ngiyabazi ubunzima. So ngikuthatha lo bunzima ngibhekise ngithi let's say if umama wabo bekayi-1, I'm not there. You understand? Akasebenzi. You understand? Kumele ucela bobhoti
athuwe futhi nalapho.
Athuwe ukuthi wena ubowenza abantwana bothembeni, ubaba abantwana. You understand? And then bese ngiyaqhamuka mina as baby daddy uzongilwisa because nawe kuyashisa endlini. Mama umntwana ufuna amasokisi kumele ucela umama wakho akuthuke before akwenzela. You understand? So ngizogcina sengisaba ngithi ngiyabo but usilima nje uzongigoqa lapho uzongithuka.
Yeah.
You understand? At the same time umntana wakho uthi uyakhuluma uyabona uzofuna uzomkhulisa umntwana until when baba ngicela ungithengele icathulo ya ngizokuthengela mntanami icathulo azifike and then next time masobuya uzomphendula uthini umntwana akufana
ngoba kuthiwa indoda
Yes.
indoda ngelizwi layo
Yes.
so ilizwi lakho malinga following ama action uyafana nokuthi
Yeah,
awuyindoda
kufana nawe as a woman
yes
masinomuzi kune-situation enzima uthemba ukuthi ubaba uzoyisolva le situation le understand ubaba uzoyisolva so if mina ngihlala ngiyisiluleki and then it's become difficult for you as a woman because
So-
shuthi manje kumele ube ubaba ube umama walekhaya because mina ngiyahluleka ukuthwala umthwalo walekhaya leni
kunengoma kanathi ethi Tiyayazi ilizwi lendoda engenamali alivakali.
yes
Do you believe in that?
it's true yazi ne-economy iyacontributa kuma-relationship yethu manje we understand nani as women ninama-basic needs so now unokubheka mangabe u-relationship ukuthi are we heading to a good direction or not understand yes you can date me ngingasebenzi but uyangibona ukuthi ngine-ambition
Oh, give me a high
You
five.
understand
Thank you.
yes I'm not working
Yeah.
but you can
I
see
see.
you see
Potential.
potentially khona
Mm.
you understand yeah so bese kuba nomunye uthulane ongazama uvuka ekuseni arelax ayihlalele ngoba mhlawumbe kunomunye umuntu ubhuti wakho uyamsupport
Yeah.
uyamthengela icathulo uyamthengela iy'mpahla you understand we have those brothers
Yeah.
ukuthi uma umenzela izinto relax
Yeah.
understand umuphi imali imali no remember isikhathi samanje asifana nesikhathi sakudala
Yes.
abantu abomama bethu bebanganandaba ukuthi baba basebenzi because bekulinywa
Yes.
understand bekutshalwa bekudla
And
bekusejardini
besiphilisana ubomakhelwane.
Yes.
Mina unginikeza umbila, nginikeza utswayi or ushukela. You know, we
And
grew
as
up
well-
knowing ukuthi kunento okuthiwa kuyatshintshiswa
Yes, you
thina.
understand.
Yeah.
so mawuzodobha mina laphaya ngana potential sizohlala la lana akunakuthi kuyalinywa akunani awusebenzi noma kuthiwa uyasebenza angisebenzi
I can only do that much.
understand
Yes.
uzongithwala until when
Hey.
because there's a difference between ukuthi ngimthole umuntu a-right financially because things happen is here not is not but mawubheka emumva sinomuzi siney'moto
Yeah.
nani yes there are those women who say once on your downfall bavele bakushiya kanjalo
Yes.
but there are those women who stick with you
But why is it something that it sounds one-sided ukuthi yes wakuthola usisi usebenza and everything waphela but uzokuthola until when? Why is it not naye umuntu wesifazana abuze the same thing ukuthi lo mfana wabantu lona uzokuthwala wena njengoba uhlele ekhaya until nini?
yazi mama eish lento leyo iya ngokuthi as a man unofunani because I think mina angifuni umuntu wesifazane ukumvalela
Izinto afuna
ama-opportunity
yes.
afuna ukuzenza but at the same time I don't want you to lose this thing ukuthi you are a wife unekhaya unabantwana unendoda or unomyeni kumele umnakekele even if we are working
Afanelanga ngihole ukudlula wena.
No,
I shouldn't put more of my time that I should be doing things at
not
home.
in terms of
at work.
not in terms of
Money. Okay.
money
Okay.
income but I don't think it's a good thing mase ngiphenduka umfazi endlini ukuthi sekumele ngikuphekele kumele ngikuklinele you as a woman because lento la ngizoyenza noma sekukhona abantu la
But what's wrong with that? Uthola ukuthi I have to put in 12 hours emsebenzini. Let's say ngi-security or ngi-nurse.
Yes.
Because I'm so sorry, I'm putting those out loud because of ngiyazazi ukuthi
yeah.
bathanda benza abo 6 to 6.
Yes.
So what's wrong with you? Mina let's say maybe emini mina bengikhona. wena
And then,
usemsebenzini
No.
ngenze up to an extent and then usale nezingane ukuthi uzophekile uyaziphakela ingane ukudla
Yes.
bengikuphekile uyigeze uzifake embedeni. What's wrong with that as
No,
a
there's
man?
nothing wrong, ma'am. What I'm trying to say, uyasebenza, is good. Ushesa late, mina ngifika early. I have to do my duties because abantwana mele badle.
Yes.
Endlini angikwazi ukuhlala nezitsha ezinkini.
Yes.
I can't do that. Mina personally,
Yes.
I can't because angikhulanga namantombazane ke mina. Akhona but ngikhule ngipheka ngiklina.
Yeah.
I know how to do everything.
Okay.
But ke isikhathi ositholayo, you must show that I'm still a woman of this
Okay.
house.
Fair enough.
Understand?
Fair enough.
So let us not get to a point ukuthi because I'm off nami ngidinga ukurelax
Yeah.
because ngisebenza ama 12 to 12.
But you need to relax.
Yes. Into engifunayo, let us have a discussion
Okay.
because what is happening now, sometimes namadoda sizofuna ukuthi sinforce izinto,
Yeah.
not with a fair ukuthi lo muntu lana une life. Nani sometimes na bantu besifazane you will want to enforce izinto. Ukhohlwa ukuthi yazi sometimes yazi is important ukuthi umuntu akubo indoda yakho. Mina I'm a person ngizokufila ukuthi but umuntu amukhathele.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
But you
Not
must show,
bonke.
you
Yeah.
must show that you are willing to.
Okay.
But the situation ayivumeli.
Fair enough. It goes back lento ishilo ukuthi it's not about the situation esikuyo manje,
Yeah.
but what are you doing about
Yes.
it? What are you doing about it? Mina, I always preach women should work as well. Women should put an input, they should add value in whatever. Njengoba ushilo ukuthi kule economy esiphila
Yes.
kuyo.
You can't be.
Men are going through a
housewife.
mental breakdown because now they yonke into ibheke yena. You understand? And that another thing, women, I want them to understand, women and men. But what feeds you will control you. There's even a song now that says that. If someone puts a tag on you, ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi uThulani mangamnikeza nje 5 clipper every weekend yokumiya emajiteni, uzotshelwa yimi ukuthi ubuya sikhathi bani ngibekele curfew.
Yes.
We understand.
Yes.
So, and another very, very important thing is for us to understand ukuthi, to be willing ukuthi if uThulani right now uNkulunkulu uyamkhumbula, what's the next plan? Ngizohamba ngiyofuna uSipho to come and raise my children.
You see?
Ahlukumeza ingane zami na. But if uThulani ushade noSilindile, uSilindile naye ambitious, uSilindile obona izinto ngenye indlela, uThulani uzothi maka uNkulunkulu emkhumbula uzolala peacefully knowing ukuthi ingane zakhe zisazonakekeleka ngoba uSilindile umuntu oneplan.
Umuntu plan, yes. You know, angifuni mangishiye
Yeah.
abantwana bami. Maybe I'm away because of umsebenzi or whatever might be a case. Ngihlale ngine-question ukuthi ngabe abantwana ba-safe indaba khona. But ngibashiye nomama wabo. Because we have a problem with women abanenkinga. Angazi noma is an addiction. But mina, I am taking alcohol. But I can always manage my time ukuthi isikhathi so kumele ngibesana nayo so ngiyahlala nabantu abami umama bangekho.
Yeah.
Understand? I can't ukuthi ndatha abantwana ngabashiye next door because ngifuna ukujala. So we have those women ukuthi they already bathatha abantwana bobashiya
Koma wabo or go auntie.
ubusuku bonke. That is why we have cases ukuthiwa abantwana bashiyele emkhukhwini mama wabo
bengekho. Oh Jehovah.
Sinenkinga ukuthi
Or abantwana banukubeziwe ubaba wase next door ngoba ubebagcinise khona.
And you don't have to blame umama wokuphela. Blame nobaba. Yes, asazwani thina soyi-2. When as a man, what are you doing ukuthi abantu bakho bakhulise babe safe forever laba khona? Because singahlukana because of some reason.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
But kukhona labantwana laba. Now as a man, it's your responsibility. But I know mama wabo. But we have a right ukuthi abantwana wazi bakuphi.
Yes.
We have a right ukuthi always keep on checking ukuthi labahlala khona ba safe kangakanani. We understand?
I like that.
And then the reason why abantu besifana sometimes bagcina bavala isikhiwo ngabona abantwana bayawazi ukuthi yasebenza. But you don't need to do anything for.
So bakuvaleli access manje.
Yes.
Yeah.
You understand? And sometimes into engibonile ngabantu besifazane sometimes ilokwenza ama pain, frustration.
Yeah.
sometimes yabalidela ukuthi bagcine sebaphila life engasiyo.
Yeah. We don't respond the same when it comes to pain.
Understand?
Yeah.
So umuntu into sometimes emenza ukuthi angabe ne-stress ukuthi avakashele usli bathenga i-6 bahlale phansi.
Yeah, true.
We understand?
Yeah.
And then not knowing this thing build up.
Gcina sekayajwayela angasaboni nento wrong.
So therapy yakho ukuthi whenever morning king you must go there.
Yeah.
And manje laba bakuphazamisa. If awunayo umuntu ozokubhela bona uzothi hayi bazolala ngibakhiyele ngiphume ngizosheshe ngibuye. Masufika lapha ya uhlangana nabo Bhutisipho nabo uyabona benza izinto zenze.
Yeah. Vele.
You understand?
Yeah.
Kanti mina if ngizo always calling abantwana.
Yeah.
Like me, mina I don't have to call umama abantwana. You understand?
Yeah.
Because umntwana memdala.
Yeah.
If angimtholi ngiyazi ngifona umntwana ngiyafona.
Yeah.
Baba umntwana uzongitshela if baba
Yeah.
you are not right. There's something.
Yes.
You understand? Be there to minimize our problems, irrespective of what is happening between umama and baba.
Yeah, like mama no baba, because that's another thing we use our kids tina must follow punish our baba. I hear you. And then I want to go back. How ningaki again? Do you have siblings ningaki?
My mom's so 7.
Why would you? And then in a process I heard you mention ugogo, mention uma, angakuzu mention ubaba.
Okay, unfortunately, ubaba me washona ngisasemncane.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, so I didn't have that opportunity.
Yeah.
Yokuthi ngibona ubaba.
Yes.
Sengimgcina ukumbona ethombeni.
Yeah.
I didn't have that opportunity ngikhule nothando lababa ngithi baba no.
Yes, man. But here you are. Nkulunkulu akugcine na ubona izizukulu nezizukulu.
Yeah.
For your children. And then wesingakhi wena ekhaya?
Wes 5 mama.
Okay, and then kune-2 emva kwakho. Kuna something, a reason that I'm saying this, ne? You mentioned something about siblings.
Yeah. Okay. For kahlale beso 8.
Okay.
Sesele so 7.
Okay.
Kune-3 emva kwami. It's 2 boys and 1 girl.
Yes. Oh, yeah. So beningu 8.
Yeah.
uNkulunkulu wamkhumbula.
Yeah. Sasesala so 7.
Yes, man.
Yeah. So ngwes 5 I'm a firstborn ebafaneni.
So ma beshaya nje amantombazana until kwazokavela wena.
Beshaya amantombazana.
Maqedwe wathi thulani ke manje. Sengilethela umfana. Nithule nithi du.
Uthe wathi maqeda ukungithola esibhedlela abantu abaneza mtshela ukuthi umfana wathi thulani uzochange.
Yeah.
Wathi igama mathulani mathola kanjalo. Wathi thulani uzochange abe intombazana.
Ngoba besayijwayela amantombazana.
Not knowing ukuthi kuzolandela abafana abawu2 emva kwami.
Ah man,
yeah.
That's beautiful.
So 3 boys
and 5 girls.
5 girls, yeah.
And then now you mentioned something that I hate so much. Okay, I don't usually use the term hate, but right now I want to use it. We have these siblings as if feel entitled, as you mentioned ukuthi uthola umuntu wakho afuna ukwenza lutho ngoba uyazi ukuthi ubhuthulana uzomsendela 200 omunye amsendela 200 seka right iyaphuma imali yetake. And then I feel entitled now ukuthi yeah ngoba mina ngingena lokhu nalokhu. And then I was reading the other day. Do you know ukuthi by law yangikwatisa lento. Do you know by law your siblings should take care of you if wena usebenza by law ungayobophisa for maintenance?
But uyabheda lo mthetho lo.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, but uyabheda.
Kakhulu. But uyabheda.
Because unikeza abantu ama right angasingawabo. Remember sonke amasikole siba nama responsibilities wethu sinabantwana. So wena mazoqhamuka ungaka manje uthi mina ngikunakekele.
Yeah.
On this economy, because sometimes government bayenza lama law, they must look back to economy.
Hey, noma economy bidlondlobala. You shouldn't be entitled entweni zami uthi ngoba unemoto eziwu5 and mina nginalutho ne right ukuthi unginike imoto ngoba umfowethu.
But there's no way that you can protect your assets. Some such
I like this. That is why I honestly speaking, I'm so much now into lento zama trusts
Yeah.
instead of uthi ifa lakho wena mfana omdala ifa lakho mfana omncane. You do trust so that even nezizukulu zezizukulu can benefit kwi-trust because of i-trust ayise umuntu, it's a movement of people to survive labo uzobe babhalile lapho mabesuka nabo it goes from one generation to another because mawuzothatha ilifa ulinike lo makalidlile ozoba umthwalo wabanye manje. So I'm into so much into lezi zinto zama trust funds and everything now. I think that's the only way ukuthi right now we can survive. Yeah, but
when it's come to our siblings, yes, ungaba una inhliziyo ebukhuni, but somehow iyakushaya.
Yeah, guess well.
Because ufike ekhaya nengane zakho zigqoke kahle.
Yes.
Christmas whatsoever. We have abantwana abasister bakho bebhubhudu wakho bahamba ngenyawo.
Kuthini
ukuthengela amateki we-100
a pep.
And they know work out yasebenza. Yazi abantu i-community banadinga ngazi especially abantu besifazane.
Yeah.
Isingina abantu besifazane. Umuntu wesifazane ungahide kangakanani ukuthi we have money, but they can spot.
Yes, we can smell it.
I don't know, but this thing is there.
Yeah.
With wesifazane. Ungahide ukuthi yasebenza umuntu wesifazane.
Yeah.
Ungahide. But umuntu wesifazane amekela izokutshela athi no man. Ngiyakuzwa into esho but this is not what I see.
Yeah.
And you guys have that thing. Sometimes men is good, but we have that thing with the sport. Okay, I love it.
Cool.
And then abosis bako, you can hide.
Yeah. Kodwa bazobona. Angalutho.
Bazo okay. Uthulane uyasichomela kafuna usisi.
Yeah.
And then izo creator inzondo within the family. Kungcono yenza lokho khonaayo. Uthi yakhona ukuthi bathekela 1 2 3 4 but nabo kumele ba understand ukuthi
nabo they should go and work. They should do something.
Yes.
If awusebenzi, do your business. As me, I think I would really invest to you if you come to me and say, "Hey, I've been nyamaketha angitholi lutho, but I have this plan."
I'm always saying that ukuthi kufana nomuntu engithandana naye. Lento ngiyona friend engithandana naye. Awusebenzi. You can't sit in sofa so the whole day.
Ulinde wena kube onion.
Come tell me, look man baby. I've done that research. There's a business. I think imangathola nje start maybe say 2.5.
Yeah.
You understand? There's nothing wrong about to fail.
Thank you.
You understand? But to me, what you are trying is something big.
Thank you.
Because mawuzohlala yakho uyayine comfort zone ukuthi okay uyazi wena ukuthi makuphela isingo uzovela upress party.
Yeah.
Isingo asiphelile ushilo lokho. Understand?
Yeah.
Nabo sister bethu ke there's something I must do. But I have this business mind ukuthi ngifuna ukwenza 1 2 3. Can you assist me? And then ngizokutshela ukuthi okay I can or I can't.
Cannot. Yeah.
Understand? Manguthi ngizokumitha ngizoya
halfway.
And then maybe khona uzoqhamuka kugcwalisela.
Yeah.
Understand? Yeah. But ke sometimes nabo sister abathulayo nje. And abanye babathola labo bhuti abathina phela speech kodwa bayabathola labo bhuti ababheja.
Yeah.
Umbona umuntu uthi imali ayithola.
Yeah, kodwa akenzi lutho.
Akenzi lutho. You understand? And then mangasanayo bese kuba isono. Kumele phinde wena futhi umthwala.
And makasakabuya ke akasabuyi yedwa. Ubuya namanye naminye other mouths to feed.
Yes. So mina that's only ngithi abantu bangangizonda when it's come to ekhaya.
Yeah.
Awukwazi ukuba ne-first born, second born, third born, fourth born.
Usekhaya?
Ungasebenzi
usekhaya.
Nakhona guys, we need to be honest with ourselves. Yabona manje umshado. Mele I don't know ube happy mawuthola or ungabe happy because I can see when at least your finger is shining. Maybe you can give us a picture, but I don't think now our plans or our future
they're based emshadweni.
Yeah. If uyakufika awukufike on a move.
Thank you. nabazali bayekele lento ukuthi
Yes.
uthi uzoshada nje wena mawulala uvuke emini kanje.
Yes.
Our parents should stop using such terms as if
Yes.
I'm growing up to go and be someone's person somewhere.
Because manje I don't think sesinomshado artificial wedding, not a real wedding.
True.
Artificial because
We've got weddings, not marriages.
yeah.
Sifuna lala langa. We have lela langa lomshado,
Yes.
kodwa asina commitment. Yeah.
Not a real. So mangabe uzoinvesta kakhulu emshadweni. Mawubheka isikhuluma ngento eyenzakayo manje. Siyahamba manje sigqoka amasudu sibe bahle. Sispend imali.
Yeah.
And then 2 years down the line, 3 years down the line, we'll hear with a black no sleep at divorce.
Yeah.
You understand? And then manje uyabheka. Nini kushada umunye uyadivorce, and then you start to ask yourself,
Yeah.
what are we doing exactly?
And ngaleso sikhathi lesa abantu bakhona ku Facebook nako Instagram,
Yes.
they always look like they are happy. Mase be divorce khane kuphuma ama-5.
What are we doing exactly? Are we playing games? Because like umshado is a business now.
Yes.
And bear in mind ukuthi nathi namadoda sometimes siyambona umfazi onemali.
Yeah.
Asikushada ngoba sikuthanda.
Yeah.
We can see ukuthi lapha mangangena lapha
50% ngizophuma nayo. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. You are very right.
You understand?
Yes.
Ayenziwa abafazi kuphela.
Yeah.
You understand? And then sometimes siyashada sithandana. Sometimes kuba khona one ohlulekayo ukubelana ukumelana nama difficulties omshado.
Yeah.
I decide to go solve ngaphandle. Can be a woman, can be a man. But kuba khona one decide
Yeah,
ukuphuma.
phuma
I
ngaphandle.
will solve ngaphandle.
Eish.
So I think it's the best way. Ukuthi if nahlulana vele ngcono nhlukanise uqhubeke nempilo. Than ukuthi ulumaze omunye umntwana inhliziyo uyozama ukusolve ngoproblem ngaphandle. But sometimes abantu basama ukuphuma emshadweni ukuthi bazama ukuprotect
Ama-assets. True. True. That is why abanye bagcina sebebulalana and everything because uyasho ukuthi hey ngeke ngisebenze ngedwa la wena lo ufike nje nedilosi ne suitcase mara uzophuma sekahamba nge-Range Rover nani ngamandla wami.
Ngathana nomuntu for 7 years or 10 years nithatha decide ukushada akujikele
Within a year.
within a year.
Yeah.
Uthanda nomuntu manje in 3 months nishade
Yeah.
nibe ne solid married.
Yeah, true.
So umshado is all about luck now.
Aish, ungayisho lento
It's all
le.
about ukuthi uthandaza kangakanani. I think we must pray for it.
Uyasho nje noSjava uthi
Understand?
umfazi uyacelwa.
Yeah.
Umuntu wakho kufanele umcele.
Hayi, serious. Indaba ukuthi kumele umuntu umfunde, understand
Ayisasebenzi. Phese slash athi take time
Yeah.
to know.
Yes.
Bese 25 years later can ubona ama flames omuntu, the real person. True nami I don't believe in that ukuthi fanele sihlale 5 years before we decide ukuthi siyashada or what. If it makes sense to us, let's do it. If it fails, it's okay.
But sometimes with you guys, ne? Sometimes no one feel any pain. You know?
Okay. Why?
With women, sometimes no one feel any pain. You know, a woman, angaye umuntu one potential
Yeah.
because of maybe look or because sikabone that chama guy wherever when emsebenzini whatsoever. You understand? I decide to wear
Umubiza waze athi mubi lo ngifuna loyana. Athi loyana une 6 pack.
we understand? Uyeka lelo umuntu obekaza ukuphatha njengeglass.
Yeah.
You understand? Remember, a beautiful attracts a crowd.
Yeah. Kunento kuthiwa ikhiwane esixhoseni.
Yes.
Ikhiwane lihle ngaphandle.
Lidliwa izimpethu.
Asolivula linempethu.
Yeah. So njalo bathi
Ikhiwane lihle lidliwa zimpethu.
Yes. Nasesizulwini injalo.
Yes.
So sonke sayithanda into enhle. But nawe uyathanda ukuthi mosendaweni. Yabona? But thina moyindoda uyazibuilda wena ukuthi ube nesithuze abantu.
Yes.
Irrespective ukuthi if ubuya kanjani ebusweni.
Yeah.
Understand? Kunendoda uthi nawe uyibona indoda ukuthi yeah yona mani Yeah, kodwa
hayi
man,
u-Asvindini yena shem lo mfazi umshade ngenxa yemali.
uyabona,
Yeah.
but uyabona ukuthi that man i-presence ikhona,
Yes man.
you understand?
Muhle bendoda zinkomo
What
zayo.
is important to a woman is a presence or is a look.
For me, I think these things they go with ages, na?
Yeah.
I think kune stage lapho funa ichama boy mose esikoleni onamagwegwe uthi oh ngonile gwegwe lakhe kuye until now you be like I just want someone who speaks my language. I want someone engizo akunanto guys
Yes.
akunanto emnandi njengoba in a space where you feel safe and ufeel ngathi kune peace.
You understand?
Yeah, understand ukuthi ziningi kanjani. I don't care who says what. And yes, angesihlale sonke look oh baby, peacefully nesilambile. Of course not. But I think with isikhathi masiya, that's where you really become specific ukuthi ama looks wani.
I think sometimes it's good to be my friends, I can advise. But some other things they think away now.
Uyiwani.
yourself.
Yes. Because
Understand?
bazobe bengekho la.
Because sometimes ufuna uku-inquire ebantwini ukuthi who
Ucabangani?
must be with.
Le age ayisebenzi lo nto
Because
leyo.
they can choose for your friends can choose ukuthi hayi Jomi hayi lona uyashisa.
Mari ngiya ngomzimba kabani lo lapha yana.
But manje wena mase so nguwe one ozobe usha.
Yeah.
Understand? Angeke bazibaphela.
That's very true.
There's thing ukuthi okay because into yenza ukuthi umuntu a lady ayeke umuntu because abangani bam-influence
Okay.
mase somyekile
Baye kuye.
your friend
Baye kuye.
uyamthatha
Sure. For sure.
ngiye-experience le nto leyo.
For sure.
So that you ask yourself ukuthi abangani are they real or sometimes
So now ube ku situation waphumiswa abangani
no,
maqedile
not
weza.
me.
Oh, okay.
No, mina angaze ngashada
Yes, I hear you.
maybe ngisazoshada, I don't know.
Of course, for me, I don't believe ukuthi lezi zinto lezi you should get married at this age, you should do this. I don't believe kule nto ukuthi fanele kube nama sequences of life.
Yeah.
I believe ukuthi izinto ziyasifica. And now ngifuna sikhulume about your talent eyakufica 2018. Tell me about that year. What was happening ukuze ugcine unkathazo sorry aba out there eMpumalanga 2018 you had a solo was it an album or a single
No,
song?
a single track.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, I was here in Joburg by the time.
Okay.
18 already.
Yeah.
Hey, man. There's a guy from Limpopo. Yeah, I can say he's a family friend.
Yeah.
So he was trying to ukufunda ukwenza ama-beat, the guy.
Okay.
So wenza i-beat. So ngayithatha i-beat lo mina ngayisa e-studio.
Okay.
Yeah, ngayisa e-studio ngakwenza ingoma. But ke by then I didn't have knowledge ukuthi mawenza ingoma kumele uqale la uye la
Mastering,
understand?
yeah.
For me nje bekuthi ngenza ingoma ngikusendele uzoyilalela, you understand?
Okay.
I didn't have that much information ukuthi for you in order to push your career in music mawenza ingoma ngayenza ingoma but ingoma khona yaphelela nje.
Is it late for you to master it and put it out
I
there?
don't have the song anymore.
Wow.
I don't have the song anymore. And the guy is late now.
Oh, man.
You understand? And A12 can be a good thing. I think ngiyazama ukucabanga ukuthi ngibuyele ku studio bangisebenza ngicheck ukuthi maybe basasenayo ini project leyo but 2018 now people are
bayashintsha
Bayashintsha
but
izinto,
for me
understand?
you know mina I still have izinto efonini yami into zabo 2014 because of iCloud.
Yeah, maybe if I can go back to studio bangisebenza.
And then ucheck nabantu abathumele mhlawumbe.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, so maybe and then redo the song again
Okay.
to honor the guy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
I like
because
that.
yeah.
So what was the title of the song?
Ingoma ayisibekwe ingoma nyana man.
Ngiyazibona lezo ezasemahashahasheni. But that I think it was one of the things that gave you an affirmation because you are capable. You are good at this.
And the good thing with it, I was behind the mic then.
Oh.
Understand?
Yeah.
My voice was
Still pa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So maybe you bring something in my mind, Uguti, maybe I can reconsider it. Maybe I can get someone who can do it again.
Okay.
Because I can't sing now.
So now, let's talk about now. Because ngifuna ukwenza umzekelo ngobaba uLindelani Mkhize. He's a great person when it comes to ukuspotter talent.
Yes.
He writes, he produces and everything.
Yes.
That's where you are at right now. And I just met your umshana.
No, it's my cousin.
Your cousin.
Yeah, Noxim.
Noxim. She's one of your artists.
Yes.
Aren't you scared to work with family? One. Unalendo kuthiwe uyabona mawufuna ukwenza into yakho abo involve family. And how has it been journey yakho right now as someone who writes, someone who sports artist, someone who manages, who's in a field now that will be behind the scenes of an artist?
Okay, I'll start with the case ya Noxi.
Yeah.
With Noxi, yes, in a family, remember, this thing is involving money.
Yes.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Music involve money.
Mm-hmm.
Even now, ngibambiloto now.
Yes.
Bazothi ngidlimali.
Ka Nox. Yeah, understand or uzithathela u-2-pot wakho emsebenzini wakho. Yes.
It's tallest, but I'm ready for that.
Okay.
Because they will not check ukuthi uNox ngimthathe kuphi, with what expense.
Yes.
How much did I spend? Uthi uNox
abe la akho.
Wherever la akhona. Ifamily ngizothi udla imali yabantwana akasabaniki imali akaculi nokucula. They don't know what is happening behind the scene. But I'm ready for that. I'm doing this for her. Ukuthi yena going forward. Because I told her she has a right to ukuthi masabona ukuthi now asengazimela athi no
atucela akhathi cable.
Yeah. I think I can make alone or
nabanye abantu. Yes.
I mean, I'm just opening a platform for her. So with that artist, I'm trying to work nama artist now as a car, because what is happening in Kalanguya Kon? It's a rent corner. Now benza exactly the thing engayenza 2018. They were doing music
akuna exposure.
Yeah. And the mawula music uzokuthi man, this is proper. So this is what I'm trying now to do.
Yes.
Ngifuna ukuthi ngibhale izingoma, and some of them, because no she can write.
Yes.
Yeah. She can write also.
Wow.
Yeah. So ngithola those talent ngibathathe ngibabeke la from ekhaya.
Yeah.
Nasekhaya must know ukuthi bazongibona ngiqhamuka nemoto bathi udla imali engane zethu.
Yes.
And I'm ready for that also again. Understand? Abantu engibabhekile kumele bangiprotect. Because mina if ngizoba fair kuma artist wami,
yibo abantu abazokhulumela.
They're going to protect me.
Yes.
But if I'm not going to be fair on them, obvious, bazofika bebeke nabazali babo ukuthi hayi into ezenzakalayo sisa understand manje ukuthi black guy.
So now tell me that, like, you have opened a record label.
Not yet.
Not yet. You in a process of opening your record label, and then now experience yako kule journey yako now that now you're not able ukuthi when uziculele you're planning to be a vessel, or you're planning ukuthi whatever that you could do when you're sending to your abantu obabona ukuthi ba capable of it. How has it been so far? Leo journey yakho, and what are the plans abantu osusebenze nabo so far? Sorry, and when are you launching now with the black?
Okay, so far ngisasebenze no Nox no Young Panda. Unfortunately, she's not here. I'm using his studio with a very experienced people are already exposed to music industry.
Yes.
So those people bangicatulisa ukuthi we must do one. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Do 1 and 2.
Yeah.
So, but I think the stumbling block here,
Okay.
capital.
Oh, tell me about it.
Because if no capital,
Yes.
everything
Ibalul.
will move fast.
Yes.
So the stumbling block is the capital because remember, I'm dealing with the artists. They're not working, they're still young.
Yeah.
Some of them, they're just finished their matric and whatsoever. So they're still young, especially those I'm working with.
Yeah.
I'm busy with an EP now. I'm working with about 6 artists.
Artist. Oh, nice.
So they're still young, abasebenzi. So mangibatata,
Yeah.
I have to carry the weight.
Yeah.
You understand? I have to carry the weight. So ilaki yami nginayo istudio ngisebenza naso. They
Yeah.
understand.
Yeah.
I think nabo bayabona ukuthi okay the guy
Kune potential.
potential ikhona.
Yeah.
Nathi mhlambe in
Sizothola
future
something.
singakhwaya.
Yeah.
So they are very accommodative. Whatever, man, it's okay. I want to do this, but yeah, show that here and there. They'll say, no, come. We'll see after how we can cover this up.
You can mention them as well to promote them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Blueprint Studio.
Okay.
Yeah, the guys are very nice from till up to now.
Yeah.
I would just say thankful, especially Lucia.
Mm.
I can say he's a producer. Nguye owenza yonke mastering, balancing. Yeah, nguye ongitshelayo ukuthi okay, now you need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
He's been in the game with a lot of famous artists.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
So nje now baqeda release ingoma banoMartino Anrata Appeal.
Okay.
Yeah, a very nice song. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. So the guys is very nice.
Uh-huh.
And then with other guys in studio behind the scene.
Yeah.
Yeah. So bayangisiza kakhulu man. I don't want to lie.
Yeah.
Because mina ngize ngiclueless.
Yeah.
Remember kunama organization kumele uregister kuwo
Yes.
before release ingoma
True.
in order to protect your royalties and
Yes.
whatsoever.
Yes.
The artists that I'm working with, they don't know nothing.
Yeah.
I have to protect them
Yeah.
also.
And now you're in a learning process.
Nami ngiyafunda mele
Yeah.
nabo ngicatshule nabo.
Yeah.
That is why ngithi mele ngithanda ukuthi into eningi babe khona bathole exposure ukuthi tomorrow
Yeah.
they can stand for themselves. Bazi angifuni ukugatekeeper information to them ukuthi bathole yonke whatever information engitholayo
Yeah.
babe nayo ukuthi okay, this is what is happening. Sometimes they lose focus because they are still young.
Of course.
You understand?
Of course.
You tell them ukuthi ngo-3 kumele sibe endaweni so bathathe bangani ngo-3 baye endaweni.
Yeah.
This is ama-difficulties engifisana nawo.
Now. Yeah.
Understand?
Mm.
But because I want this thing to be successful,
Yeah.
kumele uthole izindlela. So along the way ukuthi
Yeah.
how you going to deal with ama-issues afana nalawo.
Yeah.
Yes. And then another thing, ukujumpa into music industry. Mama,
Ziyakhala.
hayi.
It's not flashy as it seems on the screen.
Yeah, is that yeah.
Yeah. I hear you.
Yabona ngirealize now ukuthi I think I have to say ngisalute ama-artist lawa sawa already alapha.
Yeah.
But remember ke kunabantu abathola vele into sezibalungele.
Yes. Yes.
Abaqali nje. It is same like we are sitting here.
Yeah.
And I say mina can come and sit here ngi-own
Yeah.
the studio here.
Yeah.
Abantu bazothi hayi uthi black guy abazi ukuthi usli is behind all this.
Yes.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
It's important sometimes ube khona umuntu odlala behind the scene.
Yeah, all the time.
So if we don't have that person, it's very difficult.
Yes.
And the capital is always going with the success.
Basho Bati, you need to spend money to make money.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. So our single track Sikipele Mzimeni, of which I'm happy because it's pushing.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pushing with the people that I'm working with.
What's the title? What's the single called?
Take Me Back.
Take Me Back.
Yeah.
Okay. By Unoxi.
Yeah, Nox, and I'm also there.
Okay.
Yeah, Take Me Back. the Black featuring Nox and Young Panda.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe sometimes I would get isikhathi uba interview ama-artist.
Yes, please.
Yeah, with their journey on music.
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
So it was difficult when it started. And then I thought maybe once ingoma yaphuma kuzoba ngcono. Kanti no.
You still have to spend another money
that's where
to
now
promote.
That's where now umsebenzi uqala
Qala
khona.
khona. Yes.
Umsebenzi uqala lapho.
Yeah.
But you know why I'm happy? Because it take me back yengenza ukuthi ngihlale nawe.
Oh God. Listen. I like that.
I can say ingivulela ama opportunity because if it was not to take me back, I
wasn't going to sit here.
Yeah.
There's more coming, man. There's more coming.
Yeah, so isn't it ngane manje start positive.
Yes.
Whatever little things ezenzakalayo. We start as a positive thing.
Yeah.
Understand? Because I'm getting interview on the radio station.
Yes.
That shows ukuthi take me back. Yeah, ivula le minyango leya.
Yes, man.
So now more better, which means when we're dropping our EP, some of the people say,
yes.
There's an artist ebizwa Nox, Young Panda, not the Black, understand? Yeah. Understand?
Like
I know now some of those will be watching a podcast and say, hey man, sikubonile man laphayana, what ungene kanjani laphayana?
Yes.
People will ask that.
Of course. It's and sometimes you think that people are not listening or watching. And then now if someone wants to go and listen to the song, where do we find it?
The song is available on Spotify, na ku YouTube, corner. Actually, go on
digital platforms.
Yeah.
And then your social platforms. Let's say there's an artist out there who would like to work with you guys, or an up and coming artist naye osho ukuthi maybe namanga be part ye family ga the Black, maybe indlela zami zizovuleka. Where can they find you?
Okay, ngiyatholakala ku Facebook, The Black SA. The Black akusu TH.
Yeah, good DE. Yes.
The Black SA. Ngiyatholakala na ku TikTok, The Black, and then na ku Instagram, The Black SA. And then I'm active on also. You can just text me on inbox.
Yeah, and then get back.
And then I think nama details on my Facebook, where you can get me in terms of if you want to work me on any part of work. Yeah, I'm available. For those who want to be a part of a family, and it's also I'm still open for that.
Yeah.
However, understand. Not everyone was ukucula.
Yes. You must
understand. Not wonke umuntu ukuthi sonke sikwazi ukucula.
Yeah, true.
You understand? Yeah. So we have been rejected nathi endaweni eningi.
Vele.
Understand? Yeah. So there's nothing wrong about trying. Try is the best.
Yeah. But then if we yeza kuwe and then we are sure ukuthi you're not the kind of a person awukho kule dream yami umuntu angathatheki kabi. Is that what you want to say? Ukuthi ungaphatheki kabi, ungastop ukudreama, your people will find you. Ungangithathi njengomuntu omubi. I hear you.
I do have a lot of inboxes. Inbox yami especially abanye abangazi, abanye they know me. Unfortunately ngikhona ukuthatha wonke umuntu.
Yes.
Yabona? Kuzaba nama nezigaba ukuthi I want a guy, I want a lady, I want 4 artists on this project.
Yeah.
So it might take long ukuthi ngifike kuwe. But ekugcineni ngizofika.
Yeah, but ungahlali nawe, ulokhu push nawe.
Now I do something.
Yes.
But ekugcineni ngizofika because sometimes sicontrola ibeat esinalo ukuthi le beat le alimfuna uNox. UNox is already a part of a family.
Yeah.
But there will be a time ukuthi no.
Lela alifuni.
Awufiti la.
Yeah.
Those things are happening. I have to ukuthi ngifuna omunye umuntu at least
ozongena la uzojumpa in.
Yeah. That is how now we recruit amanye ama-artists based on ukuthi demand ukuthi beat the demand this kind of voice.
I hear
not
you.
This one. So I'll go back now to say, okay, Slee, ngizacela ungisendele one of your songs.
Songs,
That's why
yeah.
important ukuthi sebenza.
Sebenza.
Mangithi ngicela ungisendele.
Unayo manje.
ingoma
Like
yakho.
ngithe mangithi ngicela iprofile yakho.
Yes.
Yabi khona ungathi
Understand?
usaye.
Yes. Understand?
Mm.
Ungisendele ngilalele ukuthi okay, no, I don't. This is a perfect match. Please, ngithe so.
Yeah.
Ngicela sistudio, we have a project in Malaysians.
Are you open for bookings?
Yes, I am open.
Please leave. Are you open to send to share your details?
Yes, I
Okay,
can share my
please
details.
do so in case if
Yes.
umuntu onomcimbi or something and you're open for bookings, you can just
Yes,
share.
for bookings, you can get me even on social media. If
Yeah.
you are dropping a DM,
Yeah.
definitely sure I'll respond to it.
Okay.
Definitely sure I'll respond.
Okay.
And then on WhatsApp, you can get me on 079 331 4013.
Mhm.
And also on call, I'm using the very same number,
Okay.
079 331 4013.
Okay.
For booking on email, is tulpa.aka@gmail.com. Is tulpa is THULPA.aka@gmail.com.
Okay.
You can drop me
An email.
So you said on Facebook or go
TikTok,
TikTok, you
or
can inbox
Instagram.
me.
Yeah.
Yes, I'll respond to you.
Okay.
Yes.
And then now, there's something I heard from your voice. You have a bit of a regret about how, like njengoba mentioning indaba yokuthi you wish you had more information when you were still at school. You could have been far. If you were given an opportunity ukuya kuthulani kwa grade 12 uyomhaga uxolise kuyo ngathini?
Sure. You know, I have no one to blame but myself with my decision engingawathatha. I think ungathatha iziyalo zabantu abadala, or I may say, because my principal was like my parent to me. If bengithatha iziyalo zakhe ngabe ngisekudeni. So uthulane from grade 12, I'm sorry because I've destroyed your future.
But we're here now. What would you say
And
to Ude Black right now to applaud him?
Ude Black, use whatever it takes, whatever you have in your hands. Okudlulile ngeke usakuthola, ngeke usakukava.
Yes.
But ukubhila going forward, whatever now on your disposable, kuphathe ngezandla zami, kubambe ngezandla zamantombi.
Amen.
Because some other things kufana nesikhathi manje sesindlulile sekushaya u10. U10 what is the date? 6. U10 wange 6 May 2026.
Ngeke aphinda
It's
bekhona.
no more.
I hear you. And then yini into ofuna ukukhunjulwa ngayo if uNkulunkulu yakhumbula kusasa?
Because I'm a person closer to abantu kakhulu.
Yeah.
With the good things, I'm not too much in a. I'm not saying I don't have better,
Yeah.
but I don't remember ngihlukumeza abantu in such a way. Most people I'm closer with the good things. So this voice will leave as a mark of my life, because that's the only thing I have now.
Yeah.
Different than the wings along a yes, but I was waiting ukuthi ngizoba nenjebe.
Yeah.
I didn't know
With
my voice. So this voice must leave a mark, because now I'm taking that journey of your music.
Yes.
So their voice basazoyizwa endaweni eningi.
Yeah.
You must leave a mark and as a motivation to those abafesane oluza inyawo.
Yeah.
Or decide ukuthi sekuphelele ngami. It's not over.
Yes.
Understand? Because when I lost my voice, somebody lost
Isandla.
isandla, umunye.
Yes.
It's not over.
Yeah, man. Thank
Understand?
you for that.
It's not over.
And then is there anything ofila ukuthi asikhavanga so far when it comes to your journey?
Not really, because my journey is not that long in terms of career-wise.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
And also with the life, we cannot cover everything.
Yeah.
Because if we are gonna go back to a life,
Yeah. Singathatha usuku lonke. I like that, man. But I believe ukuthi asizugcina namhlanje ukuhlala lana.
Yes,
You're gonna allow us to walk this journey with you.
yes.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu for you giving me your time. You could have been doing other things. Njengoba usho ukuthi mawule industry lena, you always have to do something.
Yes,
But
yes.
we are here today and I'm rooting for you. uNkulunkulu akugcine akuhlenge afezekise konke lokhu mhlambe okusenhlizweni yakho
Yes.
nalokho futhi ucabanga ukuthi kuzoba kuko. But I liked when you said okusokudlulile kudlulile and umcele naye uNkulunkulu athambise inhliziyo yakho akuna regret right now.
Yes,
Senza
yes.
ama corrections
Yes,
through and
correction,
through.
Yeah.
And then guys out there, please go check the single ibizwa konje
Take me.
Take Me Back, my digital platforms. And then again, they are open for ama booking with the black. Hamba yombheka kuma social platforms. Uba open to that. And if anything, mhlawumbe, you were curious to know and azange sikhave at this point, please just drop a comment on YouTube and then uzobe khona naye laphana to reply. Anything and anything, ushilo ukuthi he's very flexible as well kuma platforms wakhe. Asingabo abantu ngaphandle kwenu. I'm going to say this again. The black butomnyama.
Yes.
Bhuti wakahlatswayo.
Yes.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
100% black.
And thank you so much for the insights as well of ezinye izinto that were off topic
Yes,
of
yes.
what we are, but it's part of our reality.
Yes.
You know, ngifundela ukhulu kakhulu kuwe
Ngiyabonga
today.
kakhulu, mama.
And uNkulunkulu akugcine nabantwana bakho bafunde ukukhulu. We are here to change.
Yes.
We are here to open doors. Njengoba usho ukuthi you more again focus if nabantu abasuka ekhaya labo abangenayo information when it comes to these things.
Yes.
Awufuni baphinde lokhu wena okwakwehlela.
Yes. Yes.
uNkulunkulu uyayazi inhliziyo yakho and whatever that now your ama intentions wakho, God will lead.
Thank you very much. And
Yes.
then I will also say thank you to followers and our subscribers. Unscrambling and
Yes.
with
With Slee. Yes.
yeah, it was a nice and peaceful moment with Umela.
Yeah.
Yeah, although sometimes when you take me back on my journey, it's trigger my heart, but yeah, my emotions.
Yeah.
But I'm a strong man.
Yeah.
I just want to say to the followers, life is a life about people. Impilo
Yeah,
ngabantu.
impilo ngabantu.
Yeah, akekho umuntu okhona ukuthi asurvive ku cage.
Yes.
So a respect is a key to
Yes.
life.
Thank you,
Understand?
man.
So don't forget ukuthi where's emhlabeni ufumbethe. Understand? So don't focus too much on negative things.
Yeah.
Whatever negative ezayo, it take as a positive thing, as a
Yes.
correction of your life
Yes.
going forward. And then thank you very much, ma'am.
Ngiyabonga. Sisazosebenza.
Kakhulu.
Sisazosebenza. Guys, thank you very much. Siyanithanda bethuna. If awuka subscribe lapho, please do the right thing. Ngicela usubscribe, ushare, ucommente. There's that bell icon. Please press that so that you can get the notifications when we drop another episode. Sinithanda kakhulu. Thixo anisikelele anganisiki. And we out.
Life no be straight line. Unscramble life we see. Come tell your story, be free. Yeah, till, yeah, who? Wabrabonu, yeah, then, and so healing. Unscramble life we see. No shame, just clarity. From broken pieces to peace, we dey heal, small, small, we dey breathe. Everybody get a story where them hide. Smiles outside, but tears inside. Waka said be strong, don't cry, but pain, no, they listen to pride. Bra, kasa, my ente, ukuma munsemina. Enya, unkwana wote, we all dey fight something inside. No judgment, no disguise, just truth under open skies. Piece by piece, we go rise. Healing no be overnight. Unscramble life is sleep. Come tell your story, be free. yetio Yahuwa Wabrabonu yeden and so obey. From heartbreak to second chance, from silence to finding voice. Every scar get meaning inside. Every soul deserve a choice. Slide or retio, not to judge but understand. Take your time, speak your truth. You go rise, just take a hand. Bit by bit, day by day, light go find you on the way. Even darkness no go stay. Hope they come, make you no fear. Oh, oh, Unscramble life we see. This be where you find your peace. From confusion to release, you are seen, you are free. Tell your story, it matters.